A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? You all are fine, hope so. Students, in social studies subject, we have completed our fifth chapter, Delhi. What you learnt about Delhi? I hope you all are watching videos also and attending classes also. So, in Delhi chapter, we learnt about the history and its government, tourist attraction places, and its climate, and the clothes worn by the people of Delhi, and also about festivals celebrated there. Which festivals are celebrated there? Now we are going to learn about Mumbai. Mumbai is also one major city in India. Before starting our chapter, we will have a good thought. So, today's thought of the day is the roots of education are bitter. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. So, we are on our sixth chapter, Mumbai. Let's start our chapter. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Students, you have to remember these important things. So I am repeating this again and again. The main thing is what you have to remember: Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Till some time ago, it was known as Bombay. Till some time ago, it was known as Bombay. It is situated on the west coast of India, facing the Arabian Sea. Mumbai has the largest port in India. Mumbai has the largest port in India. All the important offices of government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. All the important offices of government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. The governor, chief ministers, and the other ministers live and work here. The governor, the chief minister, and other ministers live and work here. So, students, the Mumbai is also big cities. Governor or chief minister, they live in Mumbai and work from here. Okay. Now we will learn about climate. Delhi's climate was extreme. Okay, but Mumbai's climate is moderate. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. It is warm and humid in summer. It is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. Means not too much hot in summer and not too much cold in winter. June, July, August are the monsoon months. June, July, August are monsoon months with very heavy rainfall. Now you can see different types of images on the screen. Yes, these are the Ganesh Chaturthi. Why I am showing this image? Because Mumbai has a very heavy rainfall in which months? June, July, August. Condition turns worse also because there is no proper drainage system there. So in June, July, August, we can see sometimes worse condition in Mumbai. Okay. Now about street food. This is famous food of Mumbai. Bhel puri. Yes, vada pav, bhel puri, bhaji pav are the Mumbai's street food. Okay. Yes, Mumbai street food. Mumbai is famous for its street food. Vada pav, bhel puri, pav bhaji are Mumbai's famous street food. Who likes bhel puri? I know everyone likes bhel puri, vada. Even in Surat also we get tasty vada pav. And but Surat is famous for Surat's food, which is famous food. Yes, khamman, dokla, locha. Am I right? Okay. Shrikhand is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Shrikhand is the popular sweet dish of Mumbai. And which is the most popular festival? Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, you have heard about Lal Bagh Raja, but Lal Bagh Raja is also very famous, and you can see people celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with very interest, with a very enthusiasm. And tourist attraction places, Jehangir Art Gallery, SL World. Yes, this is Jehangir Art Gallery. And this is Gateway of India. This is Gateway of India. Statues of Shivaji and Swami Vivekanand are near Gateway of India. This is Marine Drive. Yes, this is Marine Drive. And you can see this Gateway of India in the night view. Yes. And here comes Haji Ali Dargah. It is also very famous place of worship. Muslim community people worship in this dargah. It is also very famous place of Mumbai. And then comes our Marine Drive. I have shown you before also. This is night view of Marine Drive. Looks very beautiful, very clean. So festivals which are celebrated, though Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival. Though Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival, all important Indian festivals are celebrated in Mumbai because people from each and every state live in Mumbai, so they celebrate their festival. Now, language spoken. Language is spoken in Mumbai. People from different states live there. You if you visit Mumbai, you can see people from different parts of India living and working here. Living and working here. So, which language they speak? If Gujaratis are living, so they will speak Gujarati. If people are born and brought up in Maharashtra, so they will speak Marathi. Most people living here speak Marathi and Konkani. Marathi and Konkani. Other which languages are used? You know, students, Urdu, Hindi, Urdu, English, Gujarati, and many other Indian languages are also spoken. Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, English. English is not new for them. In Bombay, almost everyone speaks in English. They speak too much fluent English. Tourist attraction places. Tourist attraction places. A large number of tourists visit Mumbai every year. A large number of people visit Mumbai every year. An important landmark is Gateway of India. As I shown you the pictures, close to it, close to it are statues of Shivaji and Swami Vivekanand. Did you know, students, Marine Drive is also known as Queen's Necklace? This is because when seen from a height at night, the street lights along the Marine Drive looks like a shining necklace. Looks like a shining necklace. Some of the other places of tourist interest are Some of the other places of tourist interest are Marine Drive, Kanheri Caves, Marine Drive, Kanheri Caves, SL World. SL World is also very famous. It is amusement park and also water park is also there. Many people every year go and visit SL World. Hanging Gardens, Kamla Nehru Park, Jehangir Art Gallery, Tara Porvela Aquarium, Haji Ali Dargah, Siddhi Vinayak Temple, Temple of Lord Ganesh, and Mahalakshmi Temple is also very famous, and Mount Mary Church. There are many beaches in Mumbai like Chowpatty, Versova Marve, and Juhu. There are many beaches in Mumbai like Chowpatty, Versova Marve, and Juhu. In next video, we will learn about transport facility of Mumbai and about industries and institution. As in Mumbai city, there are many industries. So what they produce, we will learn about that in industries and institutions. Mumbai. So till now what you learned, let's revise one time. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It has an important port. It has an important port where ships load and unload goods. It has moderate climate. It has many industries and important institutes. Baba Atomic Research Center, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and Indian Institute of Technology. These are the important institutions in Mumbai. There are many places of tourist interest in Mumbai. As I shown you, I hope you are understanding all the things. There are many places of tourist interest in Mumbai, like as in Delhi. In Mumbai also, there are many places we can visit. Okay, students, thank you.